In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify partner account. This process is essential if you're looking to work within the Shopify ecosystem, whether that's building stores for clients, developing apps, or providing various services to existing merchants. Let's get started and walk through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of the process. First, you'll want to visit the Shopify Partners website. Open your browser and navigate to shopify.com partners. This site serves as the entry point to all things related to the Shopify Partner Program, offering resources and tools to help you succeed. Once you're on the homepage, your task is to locate the Join Now button. You'll typically find this button prominently placed in the top right corner of the page, making it easy to get started on your journey as a Shopify partner. Upon clicking Join Now, you'll be prompted to create a Shopify ID. This step involves entering some personal information, specifically your email address, first name, and last name. You'll also need to come up with a strong password that protects your account and ensures its security. With your Shopify ID, you'll have access to the array of tools and services Shopify offers its partners. Next, you'll choose how you plan to use your Shopify partner account. You'll see options that might include building stores for clients, developing apps, or providing services to existing merchants. This selection helps Shopify tailor their support and resources to better fit your specific needs and preferences. At this point, it's necessary to provide some business information. Enter your business name, followed by its address, city, and zip code. This information helps Shopify understand your business setup and ensures that any legal or professional documentation is accurately prepared. Before moving forward, you'll need to review and agree to the Shopify Partner Program Agreement. Carefully read through the terms to understand your rights and responsibilities as a partner. Additionally, you might be asked to enter extra details like your job title, phone number, and social media profiles, which can help Shopify understand more about you and your business. Finally, it's time to complete the registration by clicking Create Account. Make sure you've entered all required information correctly before doing so. You may also need to verify your email address, so head to your inbox and look for an email from Shopify. Click on the provided link to complete the verification process. Once everything is set up, you'll be directed to the Shopify Partner Dashboard. This is your command center, where you'll manage your account, create development stores, and gain access to valuable resources and support. Take some time to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with its features. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create your Shopify Partner account and commence your journey in the Shopify ecosystem. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel confident as you begin your work with Shopify. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your endeavors.